Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the index page. Okay, so here when you load the system, first we have to show this form, right? This is the member number, paid date, expire date, and status. Here we can identify whether the activate member or expired member, right? If the member is expired, we have to here the status will be changed as expired, so we have to remind them to pay. Okay, so we easily identify the expire. Okay, if once the date exists, okay, exists, we can easily the status will be changed as expired. So now let's check. So what I am going to do is here I am going to go to, this is our page. Okay, so I am going to go into new file, index.php, right? This is index.php. Here what I am going to do is here the same page. Don't worry about this, all the source code I provided, so you don't worry about that. So here we have to do it, but you must watch the steps, right? How to do this project step by step. Okay, if you are not to watch the step, if I not, you just download the code and use it, it is not a point. Okay, so you have to watch it. Okay, it's a pointless, right? So here we have to watch it. I just copy and paste it over here, right? Now when the page is loaded, it goes to the page which is all this one members. I just use all just give us here name as member, expire date, check, just check .php, right? I just Control C to copy. Here I am going to paste check.php. Here I am going to check it, right? So here what I am going to do is here I just copy this page, paste it over here, right? That's it. That's the stuff I am going to do. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Save all, just go here. This one should be the which one, zip. Home page. Here it's working perfectly well. Okay, so here what I did here is, now I am going to explain step by step. This project we no need now, our project, right? Now here first this index page. The index page will be identified by the paid member or expired member. So if the member is if the status is activated, the member paid. So here the expired date is not ended. If the expired date ended, so here the status will be changed as deactivate. Okay, so they have to remain the payment status, right? So here this how it will be work. Okay, so this page how to do it here. First here we have a table. We have created this table, right? This is a table ID, TBL projects, right? The table consists of these 4 fields, right? So member number, paid date, expired date, and status. So these are the fields, following fields, right? After that we have a get all function, simple get all function. So here TBL project, we have to load the TBL project over here. Okay, so we have URL check.php. This is the page where it goes to the checking. Okay, so the request is get data type JSON Ajax success function. So once you call this function, get all function, what to do is here it goes to the particular URL check.php. So it goes to the page check.php. First we have to establish the database connection. First after that we have to here we have to write the query. So we have to write the query here. Statement, I just str statement. Right. So here you have to write the statement here. So here state str, create the variable. You can give any name here. Here I just give as str. We have write the query, select the page. Okay, MID, member ID, plan ID, paid date, expire date, from which table? Payment table. So here we have a, first we have to check the connection and query. If both are correct, we have to fetch the data from the database. So here we have output as a JSON format. So here today date, we have to check the today date. What is the today date? So we have to write the function str time date, so today. Okay, so here put the while loop and check it. Okay, so here while loop and check it. Okay, the current date, and if the current date exists, if the expiry date exceed, so the current date, so it will be deactivated member. That's why we will check it. Okay, the current date. Okay, this current date today is, this current date is not exceed. Okay, here is a 10. Okay, so here 7, so it's not exceed. So if it is exceed, it will be exceed, it will be so the expired status, right? Now here it check the following stuff. Here if you are looking for this following stuff, if it is less than, it will be activated. If it is not less than, it will expire. So here it will through the all the stuff. So after that it will be throw the output. Here we have a JSON format. The following JSON format, it will be throw the this is the key, the value. This is the key, this is the value. The key value. That's how it will setting as a JSON format look like this. Okay, it's a JSON format look like this. So the data is coming from JSON format. Index.php JSON format, data is coming from JSON format. Okay, so here you will be check it here, console log.data. You can check it here whether the data is coming or not. Here console, here you can check it here. This is the key, this is a value, key value. That's how the format. So the key, what is the key you are giving here as a JSON format of the check.php page. So the same key value you have to assign it here. Okay, then only it will work. This name should be similar of this name, then only it should be work. Okay, otherwise it's not working. So the same name. This is the heading of the table. Member number, paid, these are the headings. Expired date, status, these are the headings. Okay, right? We have a 4 columns, so here we have 4. Okay, this 4 columns, right? Squirrel true mean it will be true here. This like this. This is squirrel. Okay, this is how things works. This is how the programming works. I hope you understood the things well. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.